just need to ask you, do you love me?
So basically this is the Cool Cloud pack, the 100 subscriber special pack actually. So like after you get the raw file, if you extract it you get this file Cool Cloud pack, and then after that I have the best fonts pack over here. What you have to do is to get this actually just shift click here, like select all of those and then click install, and then that would do that. Actually all of those fonts over here are really great for helping you improve in the GFX field. There are 48 fonts if I'm not wrong. And then out there, then next we have a banner template. So if I go to the banner template, what we have over here in the banner template is, let me see, over here in the banner template we have a banner. Actually if you don't have a logo you can use this banner. If you have a logo, just a minute, so if you don't have a logo, you just have a name, you can use this banner because it's for those people who don't have a logo. And then after that you can just go ahead, and then if you don't want the upper bar you can just remove it, because I feel it's kind of awkward to have the upper bar everywhere. Okay, so after that so this is that, and then I have a banner template for people with the logo. Yeah, so this is for the people with the logo. If people have the logo, this is it. I have this in one of my videos too. I featured it. So it's over here. Everything is over here. So that's to be good. The font is not as specified. You can use your new font because the font of this has not been given. And the one thing is that this YouTube is a font, not an icon. So you might want to replace it. Okay, so that's that, and then the next part is the Cool Cloud YouTube pack, the 100 subscriber special pack. So yeah, it just takes some time to load it. It's a really great pack, I would say, because I combined a lot of files from other packs too, so you have all in a single pack. And then over here we start out with the intro. You can hide the intro after you have enjoyed it, if you know. And then we have read this file over here. So like this is my first pack, and it's kindly a little bit complicated, so you have to watch this video so it makes it more easier. Then we have a start screen over here, a template to a start screen. It helps if you're doing a tutorial or something like that for the start screen. And then we have a font. All these fonts what you downloaded before, so it's okay. All these fonts is like what you download before. And then we have a bonus font pack. A bonus font is a Couture font, which is a really great font. I would say I recommended italic version for a lot of banner projects and all. The next we have cartoon flames. Actually, cartoon flame, we have this, a simple cartoon, a simple flame actually, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then the bigger ones like these, like the bigger one, and then a split one. Like these are for the cartoon flame. And then we have the end screen. Actually you have those the end cards, right? Like those are these. If you know, at the end of the video you can use these with a template of 2x2, with a template of a logo in the middle and then 2 videos on the side, with a dope, and then maybe go here. You can change all of these, and then you can preview the toggle. You can toggle the preview. Okay, my bad. Those up and down, I think it's a great one. I used it in one of my videos, so you can go ahead and check it out. I think the last video. And then we have stuff. Over the stuff part, what we have is we have application. We have application, Photoshop icon, application Photoshop icon, After Effects icon, Illustrator icon, Premiere Pro, C4D, and then Blender. And then after that, after those, what we have is we have icons. We have icons like all these icons over here, all these arrows. The icon or the Twitter, all these icons over here, the Twitter, the Spreadshirt, the Instagram, Skype, YouTube, PayPal, everything like that, the Twitch, Selfie, whatever. And then all those, the tire by tire, like this is the tire 1, like a tire 1, tire 2, tire 3. And then those are icons, and then down we have the pattern, which is these thing over here, these two thing, you can actually, I'll just show you one thing. After you have a battery, like for example this bigger one, you can alt click and duplicate it, and then Control T, and then flip it horizontal, so you get a border with it. So that's a cool, effect I would recommend you to use. And then that's the battery, and then next we have the animated arrow. All of these arrows have been separated individually into Tier 1, Tier 2, and then Tier 3, which is a really good to use because I've used it personally in my end screen, so it's really good. And then we have a small monitor over here. Actually, if you see the monitor, inside the monitor we have the blank screen. Actually, that's what you need. The desktop you can change. The desktop picture you can change. Okay, then the next part what we have is let me see. The next one we have over here is the layer style. Okay, so the Philadelphia we have, I think it's from a visual arts pack, and then we have Matrix. No, it's from I don't remember from whose pack it is. No, I don't remember. And then we have the visuals pack. I usually use the timbers and the visuals layer style a lot for my templates and then thumbnail and all, and the banner stuff. Then we have the house smash, the Matrix, then the Philadelphia, which you could also use for some cool effect. And then we have, if you don't know how to use it, you just have to right click and then go for copy layer style and then paste it in one of your texts, which will change it into cool looking one. And then at the next position what we have is the bonus layer style. Actually, this is a layer style by me. You can use it. It works good with the normal font. Actually, what it is let me show you. This is the normal text, and this is the one with the effect on it. It gives a cool rounded 3D effect on it. Yeah, I think it's really great to be used. And then followed by the watermarks. Watermark is something like this one over here, which says want more, and then the one below says stay cool, the one says subscribe, and then the one says wow, why not, and the other is a moon. Unfortunately you can place your logo in that thing. The next is this thing. Actually is there in the cartoon flame pack, so pretty much the why not. Okay, then what we have is the video overlay. Actually the overlay, you have to render it separate. You have to change it to different composition and then like render it separate. Like you have to go new and then create a 1920 by 1080, and then you have to, let me see, and then you have to render all of these together into over here, and then place it according to your will, and then change the text to whatever you want, and then that's it. And then you could just you're good to go, and then you just have to go ahead and save as whatever you want. Okay, so with that there video overlay out, and then now stocks. The video overlay is from the Fazzo's pack, I guess. Yeah, it is. And then the stock we have from a lot of packs together, from timbers, visuals, all together, timber visuals and all of those. I have the fungi over here, then the alienate. Actually the alienate creates a cool like a texture type thing. We have a lion's mane, X mass explosion. The rest all is by visual, so he gives a lot of good stuff, whatever. So all of those cool stuff are right out there, and then close it out. Go to the next one, which is thumbnail. The thumbnail over here, like the thumbnail here, is so unique. We have the color correction panel over here. You can toggle it if you want to, and then we have something called the colors. You can actually change the color. I don't think we can change the color. It's like a cool glowy rectangle over here, and then we have a light bulb over here that you can disable this, I guess. And then we have this thing over here, which is the color spectrum I created in the borders of this. And then we have bold. The bold is what is supposed to be this. Actually, it's from a font called Against. I'll make sure to link it in the description. It's a cool font. And then after the bold, we have text. Text, a symbol, template. We have thumbnail. We have, if you download the Against font, you will get the thumbnail fonts from Against. So pretty much, see Against the spelling. So pretty much that's that. And the template, I believe, is the counter font I use. Yeah, it's a counter. And then next we have the preview background. Okay, so over here I use Michael and GTA5, but you can definitely change it. I have black and white over here. Actually, what this does is, for example, if your background is like, now my background over here is a light one, so I need to use a black one to actually make the thumbnail and the template viewable. So it's pretty much like if you have a blackish image, you have to use the white one, but since I have the whitish one, I'm going to use the black one. So like you have to switch it according to your will. So pretty much it's going to be your wish, and then that would end up in the back. Like that's the last thing of the pack, and then you get the pack like this. It's a totally good pack, I would say, because it's pretty much like you get all those good stuff together in a single pack. I personally, instead of opening up all those pack of timbers, visuals, without all together, I just open up my pack and then I start taking down things. So it's like more easier to carry on with work. So I think these three help a lot for you in daily life basis for a graphic editor, or if you're a gamer, you know what I mean. So it may really help you. So with that being said, I think we can wind up this video. The link will be in the description below. I'm not sure whether it's gonna be Mediafire or a direct link. I'm not sure about that though now. Then like if any doubts, you can make sure to post it in the description below. I mean in the comment section below. And then this is my first pack, so of course there's about to be some mistakes, which I hope that you know you guys would understand and help me. So the start screen is something really unique over here that I like, because each thing is like separated very good. I made a tutorial about it, so it's gonna be pretty easy. The font we have. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Turn the notification on for, you know, even though I don't upload daily, you can get some notification when I upload. So pretty much it's that, I guess, for this video. So I guess we're done. So bye, peace out. This awesome trailer was made by Metroscope. Make sure to go check out his channel, link in description below.
I feel paralyzed.